Hey VV Nation, we want you to start 2024 on the best foot possible. So we're going to have our flagship 2-day seminar in Tampa on January 5th and 6th of 2024. And I'm inviting you to our live stream event right here, right now. Simply go to www.vectorvest.com/stream to register. What are you going to get? Well, we're going to show you how to triple your fixed income investing. 3 times more. And then we're going to show you a blockbuster ETF strategy that will just really blow your mind. What else do you get for showing up for the live event? You get full access to the broadcast. You get world-class stock education. You get a digital copy of the course. You get a $100 voucher for any VectorVest coaching group. And we've got prizes and drawings for over $2,500. Folks, you want to register and do it right now.